Morning guys, July 11th, 2023. This is never got a call from a guy. He's got a shower valve that's making a lot of banging noises. He says it's a Symmons Temptrol, so it's probably just a cartridge that's bad. A lot of times you put a new cartridge in there, stop that banging. I'm gonna go by there and listen to it, see what it's doing, and we'll try the cartridge, see if that takes care of it. It usually does it. We'll get you some shots when I get over there. Shut-offs down here somewhere. It might be in there. It says it was shut-offs. That goes to that tub. That's the first floor. This must be the second floor stuff here. I'm not sure. This is all ProPress stuff. What a flippin' shit show. I don't know where these go. That must be an outside shower. Where all this stuff go? I don't know. Let's shut some of this stuff off and we'll try it. Maybe. Try shutting them off, and these go that down there, and those probably go to that tub, and these must go outside. Maybe these, I'm not sure which ones they are. We'll shut these two out. They must go to the kitchen. Yeah, that's it. That's the one. Yeah. It's probably just a cartridge. This is a plastic handle, so this should come off easy. Look at that. Yeah. A little soap scummy. Oh man, got some. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. Yeah, why would you wear gloves? Never figure it out. Why somebody would wear gloves? I can't figure it out. Nope. Can't figure out why somebody would wear gloves. Sometimes you gotta turn the handle, but this one seems to be okay. Let's just try putting a new cartridge in there and try it. I bet you that'll take care of it. Most likely. It's packing up right there. T10. Does come with a new gasket too. I wanted it, but I think it does. Yeah, the gasket. It's got a click. It's got to be a clicker. And gaskets are usually still fine as long as they're in there. I usually don't change them. Packing up, we can just tighten that, snug that up a little bit so it don't leak. Seeing that's an older cartridge, I'm just going to change it. We'll see if that does it. Make sure it gets hot water out of it. That clicking thing should have make sure it gets hot water out of it. Some of the aftermarket ones don't work, but this is a real one. Alright, he's all set.